Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. And if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to download and install Google Meet on mobile. So to download and install Google Meet on mobile, you first need to open up Play Store via Android. And if you're using an iOS, you need to open up App Store. After opening up your Play Store or App Store, you need to click on the search button at the top right here and write Google Meet on it. After writing that, the top app that pops up is the app that you need to install. It is the official app from Google. So after clicking on install, you just need to wait a couple of minutes or seconds because the download speed is really fast. So Google Meet can be used for many purposes, like to open up meetings, for your game nights, for your chat with friends, and many more. You can even conduct school activities like conduct classes and many more. So as you can see, my Google Meet has already been installed. So let's open. After opening up your Google account, you just need to select the account that you want to put in here. Right now I want to put in this account, so I click on that. After you reach on this place, you click on continue. Now if you want Google Meet to allow to take pictures and record video, you need to click on while using the app or only this time, and if you don't want to allow, you click on don't allow. So as you can see, now we are already in Google Meet, and if you want to host a meeting, you need to click on here, and if you want to join a meeting, you click on here. And after you click on here, you need to join the meeting with the code that you have provided with, and you are done. So to watch a detailed video on how to join a meeting or how to create a meeting, you need to watch our next video, which will be on the description right down below. So I believe you guys have learned how to download and install Google Meet on mobile, and if you learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.